One of the basic questions which everybody asks in investing is, how do we plan goals, or what should be the goals for investing? I would try today and simplify this in a very short video. The goals can be classified into three depending on the term. One is short term, medium term and long term. In short term, it would be your day-to-day requirements or some savings which are there. In medium term would consist of your vacation travel, buying a car or some expensive gadgets. The long term would consist of your retirement plan, buying a house, children's education and etc. Long term retirement is the most important part of planning because the majority of the expenses are in long term. Short term expenses or mid term expenses are minimal or very little. So it is very important to plan your long term plan, and long term plan could be 15 to 20 years, and that's why it is very important and required that you should be investing in equities and equity related instruments, because these are the instruments that would give you much higher than inflation adjusted returns so as to meet your requirements as and when they arise.